The next thing we're going to do is to create a report out of this. And the instruction is create a report called not sold that will display sale orders that have not been sold. It should list the supplier description. So we have a list of what it should include. The first thing that should come to mind is, yes, you have a query here that is labeled not sold. You can use this query and you can just go on there. You don't have to open it. Go to create and report. When you do that, it's going to give you everything that you've included in the query, right? So here we don't need the product ID. We can take it out by clicking on delete column, and we can move the tables just for it to be able to fit into one page. We do not also need the SO, so we can delete this. And the supplier, yes, we need that information. So good. We also need the phone number. Good. And the payment terms, we don't need this. Delete column. And we do not need sold as well. That, yeah, because it's a not sold report. So we delete that. So now we have a page that shows product description. Let's just expand this a little bit. Product description, from quantity, order date. So from the instruction, it says group it on description. So we go to description, you right click on description, you look for group on description, you click on it, and you can see it has grouped all of this. And we need to include totals for each group. We're going to include, then you have to click on each group and say include total. So the moment you click on one of these, it's going to highlight that, oh, we have different groups. And you go on the totals and say, I need you to add them up. When you do that and you expand that, it's going to reflect in all of the tables that you have, all of the rows and columns. So one other thing that you can do to this is you can make some of the maybe add-ins or the subtotal to be bold. So you can click on product description, hold down your control key, highlight other add-ins, and go to home, click on bold. You see that's done. We can also do that for the headset, notepad, pen, and table organizer. So you go on that because it's group. So we've grouped these. That's why when you click on one, it automatically selects all others. So when you click bold, it's going to be applicable to all others. You can also do that to the subtotal as well. So you can make the subtotal to be in italics, and you can make the final to be bold. So how do we check if this is good? If you want to change the color here, you can change the color if you wish. And we want to see what we've done in preview. So this is what the report is going to look like. You see here, it shows 120, it's not so clear. Can go back by closing print preview and say, okay, I think we need more space here, and expand it. The moment I expand it, I go back to print preview to check, then you will see it here. So this looks more like it's a not sold report. So I hope everyone will be able to do all of the things that we've done. You can save this by trying to close. Yes, and we want it to be named not sold. Okay, and that's it done. So here we've been able to use all access objects, products, um, tables. We've been able to set queries or create queries. We've been able to use forms to enter data. We've also been able to create a report and even navigate the report by grouping um, on description. So all of these, I expect you to watch and learn and be able to apply it during your final exam. So thank you everyone for watching, and bye for now.